Hi, this is Rachel with Beadaholique, and in this video I want to show you how to make a handmade triangular pendant bail using a head pin, and how to make a necklace with it. Sometimes you have a pendant and you just don't have the right bail for it, either because it's a large pendant or it's just a shape that you're not used to working with. So I'm going to show you how to make a customizable bail from a head pin to fit these irregular pendants. So right now I'm using a Swarovski crystal wild heart pendant. And I'm using a decorative head pin. This is a Beadalon head pin. It's got a coil dome at one end, which is really pretty. And for tools, I have round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and flush cutters. So let's get started. I'm gonna take the pendant and take one of these head pins. And this pendant has a hole right through the center of it. So I'm just gonna place the head pin through the hole from front to back, with this decorative edge in the front. Now I'm going to take my round nose pliers and about 1/8 of an inch from the back of the pendant, I'm going to grip the head pin and just roll my wrist forward, pointing the end of the head pin toward the top of the heart pendant. All right, and that's going to create about a 60-degree angle because we're making a triangle. So now I'm going to grip the head pin again over the top of the heart pendant. And once again, I'm just going to roll my wrist forward and I'm going to bend the end of the head pin down toward this decorative dome. So now you can see the triangle shape taking shape there. Now I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and I want to get the end of the head pin kind of cupped underneath this decorative dome. And with the flat nose pliers, I'm going to grip the end of the wire and just wrap the end of the wire around that dome. Oops, sorry. And there's about enough room to make like 1.5 wraps. And now with my flush cutters, I'm going to cut off the extra wire. And with my flat nose pliers, I'm just going to gently tuck the end of the head pin underneath that decorative end of the head pin. All right, so this is your triangular pendant bail. The wraps work to make it snug against your pendant, so it's not going to be flopping too much back and forth. And now, just to show you how to make it into a necklace, I'm going to take this finished chain necklace off of the pendant that I already made. And I'm just going to take the end without the clasp and feed it through the top of this bail. And then you just close up the clasp. And your necklace is all done and ready to wear. So that's how to make a customizable pendant bail from a decorative head pin. You can find all of these supplies at Beadaholique.com. Thanks so much for watching.